Hi teacher, I'm Patrarin Sayapan and today I'm going to present the case study of conspiracy to commit asset device fraud. Let's begin with the general information of the case. The plaintiff was United States of America. The defendant was Ronald Wheeler. This case was at Atlanta, Georgia, United States of America. Next is the cause of the case and how it relates to cyberspace. First of all, the cause of the case. Ronald Wheeler has been accused of conspiracy to commit access device fraud as he was a public relations specialist of Alphabet, the largest dark web. This case relates to cyberspace as it is a cybercrime in types of computer-related offenses such as cyber-enabled crimes committed to personal financial gain or harm. And it also involves confidentially related offenses such as allowing users to discuss about hacking. Another topic is explanatory of the case in detail. Alphabet was a dark web marketplace that enabled users across the world to anonymously buy and sell illegal goods and services. The only way to access Alphabet was through the Onion Router or Tor network by the US government, and both sellers and buyers transact in Bitcoin, which kept their identities hidden. This is the display of Alphabet website. By the way, this prosecution came after the announcement of the closure of Alphabet and confirmed the death of Alexander Casas, who was the Thailand-based founder behind Alphabet. Law enforcement found Casas' laptop in an unencrypted state, and this evidence led to Wheeler's case. On or about 25 May 2015, Wheeler began working for Alphabet as a PR specialist. Wheeler, among other duties, posts Tor links on Reddit.com to access Alphabet and encourage people to join Alphabet. These are some examples of his overt acts. As you can see, he posts to promote the Alphabet. The verdict of this case was that the defendant was charged with conspiracy to commit access device fraud. He was sentenced to 3 years and 10 months in prison. Moreover, Wheeler shall forfeit to the United States around $27,562 dollars and approximately 14 bitcoins. Here are the suggested practices to prevent or avoid or fix the problem. The government should establish a particular organization to track the illicit trading through Bitcoin transactions. The improvidence of buyers and sellers will give the court an evidence for the indictment. By the way, the internet users themselves should also remember that there is legislation to deal with this crime, so we should behave legally on the internet. And we should have proper security protection to prevent data stealing by the hacker of dark web, such as showing on the screen like enable two-step authentication on all online accounts. And here are the references. Thank you for your attention.